Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you some ideas for franchise mapping and how you all can approach it. Of course, how you approach it will depend on what information you're using, stores or territories. Please reach out to us and book some time and we can go over your specific use case. But for this, I'm just going to kind of give you inspiration. So starting with data, I'm going with stores as my example here. We want to include column headers in your data. Start those right on line 1, column A, no blank lines, no blank columns before or around. And then start your data right below. What your column headers say, what information you include is 100% completely up to you. In this, I'm doing stores, so I've got full address. I also included the county the store lands in, the name of the franchise owner. You can include store number, anything that's useful. I've got phone number, I've got total sales, I have salesperson column. This could be a territory, this could be who manages them, any type of information. We can include a category column of any sort, website, email, dates, numbers. I have an attribute column or multiple categories where I have separated each of those categories by semicolon, and then you can use our filter tool and filter by the attribute column that recognizes those semicolons, and we'll break them out into individual groups. I have number of customers per store. I have latitude and longitude in my data. You don't have to have this, but if you do, this is the format that it falls into. If you're doing more things like territory and that kind of thing, you can do that by, I've got US zip codes as my example here, but you can do this by any of those boundaries. And just make sure, again, column headers and just include any of the information. Once you've got your data put together, you can go ahead and create your new map. You can add the file by clicking here. You can drop files, drag and drop them in. You can copy and paste the data. Start blank, we don't recommend this guy unless you've just got a couple of places you want to drop on the map, or of course Google Sheets. I'm going to add file. I'm going to add my store locations. Once they're on, you have the ability to start using those mapping tools. And for many of our franchise owners, the grouping tool, the filter tool, of course, will work for you. The grouping tool change the colored markers, but distance, radius, drive time polygons, and even the geographic boundary tool are all going to be useful for what you need to do. As always, if you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.